Fanttik air inflator, right? So this screws onto a Schrader valve, right? Which is really nice because it just hangs there. Then you set the PSI that you want on here and walk away, and it just pumps it up. All right. So there you go. You see it's building up pressure. You can turn it off. If you look there, it's got plus, minus, and then here you can cycle through different automobiles. So you can see last time I used it, I set my car to 36. Then you have motorcycle, which I don't have a motorcycle, and then bicycles, I guess I had 45 PSI for like the kids' bikes. That's actually pretty low. But you have presets. You also have a flashlight on the top. This is how it turns off. When you want to turn it on, you pull it and it turns on. It also has some storage, and that's down here. It has a needle and another thing to like blow up toys and stuff like that. Then to get power into this is actually really simple. If you have an iPhone, you have a USB-C charger. That's what this takes, USB-C. So it's really nice. Take this on vacation. If your house has a pool or something like that you're renting, use this to fill up all those inflatables. I always keep this in the car as well because it's good if you get a flat tire. It's super small too, and it pumps up a truck tire. So I really like that. Yeah, that's it. Fanttik. Good job.